welcome back. We're going to be talking about the fashion tip of the week. This week is purging your closet and coming up with the number 5 ways to get rid of old things and fall in love with your closet again. You have to excuse my voice. I'm a little parched right now. But welcome everybody. Hey Mimi, how are you? Welcome. We're talking about the top 5 ways to purge your closet today and falling in love with your wardrobe again. First, you gotta ask yourself, is your closet overflowing with clothes that you're not really wearing right now? You know, it's like old stuff that you've been 3 years you've been waiting. Somebody's gonna come back around again. No, girl, no, get rid of that. If you ask yourself these things, are you actually wearing it? If you're wearing it, I say keep it and try to wait till the fashion rolls around again. But if you're not wearing it, throw it away. Don't be afraid to throw it away. There's nothing wrong with throwing things away and getting rid of those things. So my top tips this week are just for you. Let's get into it right now. The first things first, take everything out of your closet. Everything. I talked a little bit about this last week. Because taking everything out, you're able to see it, you're able to feel it, you're able to know what you want and what you don't want. So that's the first thing, take everything out of your closet. Then you go through everything that you have and ask yourself, does it still fit? Have I worn it in the last 2 months? Hey Melanies, how are you? We're talking about purging your closet and falling in love with your closet again and falling in love with the things in your wardrobe that you haven't worn in like time and time again. Then you want to ask yourself, would you wear it again? If you're going to wear it again, like I said, then put it in a pile and maybe it'll come back around and you can hopefully wait on that. Or is it still damaged? If it's damaged, we're going to say we're going to put it in a pile to throw it away. The next thing, if you answer no to any of those questions, am I still wearing it? Is it damaged? Have I worn it in the last 12 months? Does it fit? Then you need to throw it away. Hey, Solanda. Hey, Avonda. How are you guys? Thanks for tuning in. We're talking about purging your closet and falling in love with your closet again. The third tip to doing so is getting big bags. Once you take everything out of your closet, once you go through and make piles and figure out what it is that you're wanting to get rid of and what you're not going to get rid of and what you're going to keep, you're going to get big bags and you're going to separate it into piles. The first pile that you should talk about is trashing it. Is it stained? Like I said last week, those old underwear, throw those away. Throw them away. Victoria's Secret is having a sale right now. I was in there today and you need to throw those away. Let that go. The next pile is the donate pile. Are you going to be, getting them out of your house quickly? That is the key. If you're going to donate, don't get on Facebook and be like, girl, I'm getting rid of some old clothes. And then you be sitting around, hey, Leslie. And then they sit around in the bags just piling up. No, get rid of that stuff. Let people know, like, hey, it has to go today. It has to go today. The next pile is the pile that you're going to sell. If you're going to sell your clothes, you can go to like Plato's Closet, gives back clothes. Plato's Closet gives back clothes. ThreadUp, you can get on the app called Poshmark. You can actually sell your clothes on there as well as ThreadUp. And you just ship. You pay a certain fee to put your products on their site. You take a picture of it, put it on there. Hey, I'm good. How are you? Yes, I am doing very well. Thank you. Nice to see that you're doing good, Solanda. Like I was saying, Poshmark, you pay a price to list your items on their app, and then you just watch it sell. Like you promote it to the people that you're following, the people that's following you, and it sells, and you just ship it in, and boom, there goes one item. Now, once you get rid of some stuff, you can bring in some stuff. Like this new sweater that I got. Don't y'all just like my sweater? Isn't that cute? Thank you. All right. And then another pile is the undecided pile. Store them by seasons and revisit them another day. Like, okay, say you got some stuff undecided from the winter because it's Florida. It was hot here today. So winter clothes you can put to the side and be like, hey, I might try to use those again. So I'm not going to get rid of those just yet. But you can put those aside and then get rid of them later. So we're going to play a little game. For those of you that are watching, I'm going to give away a $50 gift card to Chic2Chic. The first person to type Chic2Chic and spell it correctly is going to get a $50 gift card off their purchase. And once I figure out, I'm gonna go home. Hey, Janice, how are you? Hi, Janice, Miss Janice. Hey, cousin Cheryl Morris, how are you? Like I said, I'm gonna be giving away a $50 gift card. Hey, Tina, how are you? I'm gonna be giving away a $50 gift card to Chic2Chic. So the first person to type Chic2Chic and spell it correctly will get $50 off of their next purchase. And you can just go ahead. I'm gonna watch the replay to see who does it first, and you can just go ahead and we'll send you that gift card in Messenger, and I'll remind those as they're coming in about the gift card raffle that we're doing. All right, so the next and last pile is the save pile. Limit yourself to the items that you're putting in your save pile. The key here is to purging your closet, which is getting rid of things that you're not wearing anymore, so you can bring in new things. So basically, saving is limited. You should have more stuff in the get rid of pile than you do have in the save pile. The next thing is to invest in quality items. Don't go buying cheap stuff just because it's on sale, or don't go buying, you know, cheap things just because it catches your eye. Invest in quality products. That way, you know, you're able to get more for your buck. You're able to get more wear out of the items that you're buying. And this is becoming difficult for me as well, but I'm trying to, you know, invest in spending my money on the right types of things. Hey there, welcome in. We're talking about purging your closet and falling in love with your wardrobe. And it's always better to buy one pair of quality jeans. I like Express. Express has very, very nice jeans. You may pay $100 for a pair of jeans, but they also have jeans that are on sale all the time. And I have found that I have jeans from Express that I have had for many, many years, and the denim wash is still the same, the fit is still the same. They're very, very good quality. They did cost a pretty penny, but it's okay because I've had them for some time. But it is better to buy one pair of something good than to buy a couple of things that are very cheap. Michelle has got it right. Michelle, I'm gonna message you your $50 gift card to Chic2Chic. She was the first person to get on and spell it correctly. CHIC, the number 2, CHIC again. Congratulations, everybody. Wish Michelle a congratulations. She has won the $50 gift card to Chic2Chic off of her purchase. So after the replay, Michelle, I'm going to message you with your discount code so you can save 50%. I'm sorry, you can take off $50 off of your purchase. Hey Tamisha, how are you? How are you? Hey Tora, how are you? I'm gonna tag you in this video. Let's see. Yes, congratulations is in order for her. So then last we're going to talk about is, most importantly, only buy things that you love. I talked a little bit about this last week. That's good to know that you're doing fine, Tamisha. I talked about this last week, falling in love, you know, with your wardrobe and buying things that you love. Don't just buy things because they're out there. Yes, congratulations are in order for Michelle. She won a $50 gift card to Chic2Chic. She was the first person to spell it right correctly. And she is able to save $50. I keep saying 50%. Sorry, girl. $50 off of her purchase. Hi, Auntie Forrester. How are you? Thanks for joining in. Michelle just saved $50 off of her purchase because she was the first to spell Chic2Chic correctly and type it in. So we're going to message her and she'll be able to shop $50 on me. So I was talking about, most importantly, buying things that you love, buying things that make you look good, buy things to make you feel good. You remember, hey Miss Vivian, yes, I had to hurry up and rush and get home so I could get on live with you guys and let you know how to purge your closet and the things that I have found that are effective for me in purging. The number one thing is throwing everything away. The second thing is laying it all out, putting it out in bags, separating it. What am I going to throw out? What am I going to donate? What am I going to sell? What am I going to give away? And once you do that, you're able to see what it is. Hey, Auntie Sherry, you're able to see what it is that is basically holding you back from loving your wardrobe again. Because all those old clothes, you're not going to wear them. Fashion comes around, we know that, but we don't know when it's going to come around. So while we're waiting on it to come around, get out and shop. Get out and see the new trends that are in the stores. Get out and, you know, see what's out there so you can look and see what it is that you like to bring in and incorporate into your wardrobe. Therefore, you can, you know, get rid of some things that's really not gonna come around for 2 or 3 years. Because like right now, everybody's into like the florals. If floral is not your thing, then what you gonna wait on? You gonna sit around and wait until they come out with velvet again? No, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna find things that we like and we love right now so we can purchase them, and that way if we don't wear them this time around, when they come around again, we'll be ready because it'll still be new. Hey Yantrika, how are you? We're talking about purging your closet. And once again, try not to impulse buy. Impulse buying is not good. You buy a whole bunch of stuff, then you gotta throw away a whole bunch of stuff, and then it gets overwhelming. And that's the key. Try not to overwhelm yourself. Once you get overwhelmed, you're gonna put it to the side. You're gonna not clean up your closet. You're not going to throw things away. And once you put it to the side, you might start doing something else, and then you're never gonna get back to it. Hey Jacques, how are you? I haven't seen you lately on the book. I don't know what's going on. Like, Mr. Funny Man is not funny anymore. So thanks for tuning in though. But once I said, you're gonna get overwhelmed, and once you put it to the side, you're not going to want to do it. And when you do decide to do it, you're gonna be doing a piece at a time. And the key is to taking everything out. We're not piecing nothing together in 2018. We're not piecing relationships together. We're not piecing people together. We're not even gonna piece our wardrobe together. We're gonna do this right the first time. So therefore we can get it right, get it done, and make it happen. And then make sure that when you buy something, something goes out. Stick to that, and I promise you, you'll learn to fall in love with your wardrobe again. I'm learning to fall in love with my wardrobe. I bought a few pieces today while I was out with my Aunt Forrester, and I am loving the new things that are out right now. The florals that are out, I'm more of a color girl. I do have on black today, but this sweater is fire. So, and especially with the lace, the see-through sleeves. I won't call this lace. I'll call this like a mesh, maybe some mesh sleeves. So I did grab a few things that are out right now. The pearls are out. You know, pearls on the denim, pearls on the appliques on the sweaters. The long sweaters are in right now. Once I said a lot of florals. Spring is coming up, so. Thank you, Yantrika. You're going to purge your closet tomorrow. Pray for you. Yes, I will say a prayer for you because you are like me, honey. You have a lot of clothes. You have a lot of shoes. I purged my shoes. I got rid of about 50. I'm down to 200 now. Like I said last week, I need to go through some things out in my storage. That's another thing. I got to go through my storage. So I'm going to be donating some things. Some people have reached out to me, and I'm going to be, you know, blessing them with some things. Hey Ronald, thanks for watching. I'm going to be blessing them with some things that I'm not wearing anymore. And if you can be a blessing to somebody else, be a blessing to them. Because once you wear it a couple of times, if you're not really feeling it, hey Lisa, Miss Vivian, Lord help you, yes. If you're not wearing those things again, if you look at it and it ain't feeling you, you ain't feeling it, you don't feel like wearing it today, that day is not gonna come. So if it's not in your heart to wear and you're not loving it, then donate it to somebody else. Hey Lisa, how are you? How are you? I need to be reaching out to you because I need to be getting a photo shoot or doing something with some pictures soon. So yes, Tamisha, awesome. I will be giving away some things to a few people that have reached out to me. And another tip is to try everything on. Once you start going through your closet, try on your items that you're going to be giving away. You never know. They may still fit. They may not be damaged. Just because you don't see them doesn't mean that anything is wrong with them. But you do need to go through your things and make sure that it's something that you're going to be wearing again. Nothing I wear now that I gained about 20 pounds. Well, I gained a couple of pounds too with the baby, and I am proud to say that I am in a 5, honey. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wait for the medium girls. Yeah, girl. But yes, I had to have that same talk with myself because I wasn't feeling anything. I just had a baby. Hey Brandy, how are you? We're talking about purging your closet, just casual conversation right now. I just had a baby and I wasn't feeling the stuff that I had. My jeans don't fit no more. My shirt's all stretched out. So I had to go get some new things, and I'm starting to fall in love with the new items that are in my closet. So with that being said, I got to get rid of some things. Our motto this year is going to be whatever you bring in, however many pieces you bring in, is however many pieces have to go out. I purged my closet recently. As you can see, I just kind of like redid some things. I have a handbag. What is this? A bookshelf back here, and I also have some handbags right here. And for those who are wondering, hey Kiara, how are you? For those who are wondering, this is a Chic hack. These are plate racks. You can hang your purses on them. I don't like to stack my purses. I don't like to, I have to see my things in my room. If I don't see them, I won't wear them. So I don't want my stuff to like dry rot. I don't spend a whole lot of money on purses and clutches because, they get old. And once you wear them a couple of times, they lose their shape and it's time to buy some more. So why spend an arm and a leg if you want, more variety? I'm more of a, hey Angelique, how are you? I'm more of a girl who likes variety, so I have a plethora of purses and clutches and shoes and clothes, so and jewelry as well. So I like to put my stuff out so I can see it, so I can wear it. So let me know in the comments what you guys want to discuss this week. I probably will be doing a Q&A. Thank you, Yantrika. I probably will be doing a Q&A next week. I had some people message me a few questions that they want answered. So we're probably going to, hey Destiny, how are you? We're probably going to come on and just have some girl talk about fashion and the problems that you're facing in your life. And in your wardrobe, I'll say. Like, does it still fit? Is it still in? Questions like that. So, thank you so much for tuning in to this week's fashion tip of the week. Hey, Destiny. This week's fashion tip of the week, we're talking about purging your closet. And let me know in the comments what you guys are planning to do. Send me a message. Send me a shout out. Let me know what works and what doesn't work. And we can all get together and go down and donate some things. Let's make that we can plan to make that a girls' day out where we can gather up all our bags, meet up, and donate. Or we can have a clothing swap. That sounds like a great idea, right? Everybody gather up the things that they've purged and meet somewhere and have a clothing swap. What doesn't work for you may work for someone else, and you can be a blessing in the process. So thanks so much for tuning in. Congratulations again to Michelle for being the first person to type Chic2Chic and win $50 gift card for her purchase at Chic2Chic Accessories and more. So I will see you all next week, and once again, message me those comments, message me those questions. We can get answered in our next live about what works and what doesn't work in your wardrobe and any questions you may have about fashion. So see you guys later. Thank you.